Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the Grey Mantled Albatross in Heartopia Call of Whales event. So guys, this is one of the birds from the Call of Whales event in Heartopia, and this is how the Grey Mantled Albatross looks like. Okay, I'm gonna capture it as many as I can, guys, because it's pretty rare. Even though you find the location of this bird, you need to wait a few minutes until you find this Grey Mantled Albatross. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys where you can find this bird. Basically, this bird is from the Ansen Mountain, specifically from the Stone Cliff. So first, you're going to go to the Stone Cliff area right here. I'm going to show you on the map. Okay, here is where I found the Grey Mantled Albatross bird. All right, and this is the bird information. You can catch it in any weather and from the Stone Cliff. So just go to the Stone Cliff and explore this area. And if you're lucky, you will meet this Grey Mantled Albatross bird. Okay guys, and that's where you can find the Grey Mantled Albatross bird in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!